Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. As you can see, here we've got only English language. This is the only language we've got applied. So let's tap on add a language, and as you can see we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, of course, depending on the language. So as you can see, the language has been applied, but the English is still a main one. So here we have to tap on the one we'd like to use, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again. Just tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And the same situation we've got in the English set. If you'd like to remove the language from this list, nothing easier. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Also misclick. Now you can mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon, confirm it with remove, and here we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change a system language in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.